Window replacement. Lago Vista TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With professional window installation services in Lago Vista TX, you can ensure that your windows are installed correctly, providing long-lasting performance and beauty. Our expert window installation professionals in Austin TX are dedicated to delivering top-notch service and quality craftsmanship. Energy-efficient windows in Austin are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing energy-saving windows in Austin TX, you can significantly lower your utility bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window upgrade specialists in Lago Vista offer a range of energy-efficient options to suit your needs and budget. Residential window services in TX are designed to cater to the unique needs of homeowners in the area. From custom window solutions in Lago Vista to window replacement Lago Vista TX services, our team is equipped to handle all your window-related needs. We pride ourselves on being the best window services in Austin, Texas, offering reliable and efficient solutions. Custom window solutions in Lago Vista provide homeowners with the opportunity to personalize their windows to match their home's style and architecture. Our custom window replacement services in Lago Vista, Texas, ensure that your new windows are tailored to your specific preferences and requirements. Trust our window design services in Austin to bring your vision to life. Window replacement in Austin TX is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window replacement professionals in Austin TX are skilled in addressing a wide range of issues, from window frame replacement in TX to window sash replacement in Lago Vista. We offer reliable window replacement Lago Vista TX services to keep your windows in top condition. Double-pane windows in Lago Vista are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Our window replacement experts in TX can help you select the perfect double-pane windows for your home, ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency. With our quality window installation in Lago Vista TX, you can enjoy the benefits of double-pane windows for years to come. Window glass replacement in Austin is a vital service for addressing broken or damaged windows. Our window replacement company in Austin specializes in window glass replacement, ensuring that your windows are restored to their original condition. We also offer window screen replacement in Austin to keep your home protected from insects and debris. Vinyl windows in Lago Vista TX are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our window contractors in Lago Vista are experienced in installing vinyl windows, providing you with a long-lasting and attractive solution. With our professional window installation in Lago Vista, you can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows without the hassle of frequent maintenance. Home window upgrades in Austin are an excellent way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Our window installation experts in Lago Vista offer a range of upgrade options, from sliding windows in Austin to bay windows in Lago Vista TX. Trust our residential window contractors in Austin, Texas to deliver exceptional results for your home.